Welcome to a very important video from your friends at Crypto for Seniors. If you are watching this video, you're either interested in learning about crypto or you are a crypto investor. For both situations, continuing your legacy after you're gone is such an important topic. And what's frustrating to me both as a senior and educator about crypto is very few pro-crypto content creators discuss this very topic. More often than not, I find my subscribers' family, wife, husband, partner, girlfriend, or boyfriend simply picture it as a phase, nothing more than a silly hobby. The serious problem here is when you pass, who knows how much you really have invested, where is it, and how to get to your digital assets. Have you documented the current crypto you are holding, location of those assets, seed phrases, usernames, and passwords? Cold storage wallets complete with instructions on how to liquidate the assets should they need to pay for bills, costly medical, or even worse, planning a funeral. Do they know where this information is kept? Who has access to this information, and more importantly, when was the last time it was updated? Estate planning has always been about ensuring our hard-earned assets are passed on to our loved ones according to our wishes. We meticulously draft wills, establish trusts, and designate beneficiaries for our bank accounts, real estate, jewelry, and other physical possessions. But what about our digital assets, the ones that exist in the ethereal realm of cyberspace? Traditional estate planning often falls short when it comes to cryptocurrencies. These digital assets, secured by cryptography and existing on decentralized networks, don't adhere to the conventional rules of inheritance. They are not bound by geographical borders, nor are they controlled by central authorities like banks. This presents a unique challenge, a legacy loophole that must be addressed now. Imagine a scenario where a loved one passes away, leaving behind a significant amount of cryptocurrency. Without proper planning, these digital assets could be lost forever, trapped in the digital ether. Their heirs, unaware of their existence or lacking the means to access them, would be left with nothing but questions and what-ifs. This is a heartbreaking yet all too common occurrence in the rapidly evolving landscape of digital inheritance. And with Bitcoin at an all-time new high of $99,000 as of the publishing of this video, more people are getting into crypto than ever before. It's called FOMO, or fear of missing out. People are jumping in without documenting their information or even losing their seed phrases. If you have one takeaway from this video, let it be how important keeping good notes and updating them every 3 to 6 months. In the world of cryptocurrency, private keys are paramount. They are the digital equivalent of a bank vault's combination, granting access to your hard-earned digital wealth. Losing your private keys is akin to losing the vault's combination. Your assets become irretrievable. This unforgiving nature of cryptocurrency is both its strength and its Achilles heel. Each cryptocurrency wallet, the digital container where you store your assets, is associated with a unique private key. This key is a long, complex string of random words, impossible to memorize and crucial to protect. Unlike traditional banking systems, there are no central authorities to recover lost passwords or reset accounts. Once a private key is lost, the associated funds are gone forever. The importance of safeguarding your private keys cannot be overstated. They are the single point of failure in the world of cryptocurrency. Losing them means losing access to your funds, with no recourse or possibility of retrieval. It's like burying treasure in your backyard and then losing the map. The treasure might as well not exist. Keeping such a notebook is so easy to set up. Securing your private keys is the cornerstone of responsible cryptocurrency ownership. It's about protecting your digital wealth and ensuring that your assets are passed on according to your wishes. But how do you secure something intangible, something that exists only in the digital realm? The first step is to understand the different methods of storing private keys. Software wallets, while convenient for everyday transactions, are vulnerable to hacking and malware. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, offer a more secure offline storage solution, keeping your keys isolated from internet-connected devices. Physical backups are another crucial layer of security. This involves storing your private keys offline, etched onto a durable material like metal, or printed and stored in a secure location. Consider using a passphrase, a memorable sentence that acts as an additional security layer, further encrypting your private keys. Passing the torch. Informing a trusted individual and educating loved ones is the best step, and it should be done on an annual basis. Securing your private keys is only half the battle. The other half involves ensuring that a trusted individual knows about your digital assets and can access them in case of an emergency or your passing. This is not a conversation to be taken lightly. It requires careful consideration and open communication. Choose a trusted individual, someone you confide in and who understands the importance of discretion. This could be a family member, a close friend, or a legal professional. Share the location of your private keys along with clear instructions on how to access your digital assets. Education is key. Take the time to educate your chosen individual about the basics of cryptocurrency, the importance of private keys, and the steps involved in accessing your digital assets. Consider providing written instructions and setting up a practice run to ensure they are comfortable with the process. The urgency of right now, planning for peace of mind. In the rapidly evolving landscape of digital assets, procrastination is not an option. Planning for the future of your cryptocurrency holdings is not merely a tech-savvy decision, it's a responsible one, ensuring that your hard-earned digital wealth is managed according to your wishes. The urgency stems from the very nature of cryptocurrency. Its decentralized and immutable nature, while empowering, also makes it unforgiving. Lost private keys mean lost assets, a harsh reality that underscores the importance of proactive planning. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your digital legacy is secure, that your loved ones, in the event of your passing, will have clear instructions and the ability to access your cryptocurrency holdings. This peace of mind is not a luxury, it's a necessity in this digital age. Beyond the basics, exploring advanced security measures. While securing private keys and informing a trusted individual are crucial first steps, exploring advanced security measures can provide an additional layer of protection for your digital assets. Time-locked wallets offer another layer of security, allowing you to schedule the release of funds at a predetermined future date. This can be particularly useful for inheritance planning, ensuring that beneficiaries receive their inheritance at a specific time or under specific conditions. Legacy planning services specifically designed for digital assets are slowly finding its way into traditional estate planning. Typically, it's the younger, more tech-savvy attorneys who offer this planning. In my case, I had to educate the attorneys in the law office we used for our estate planning. These services offer a range of options, from secure private key storage to automated inheritance distribution, providing comprehensive solutions for managing your digital legacy. Have an honest, frank discussion with your estate or financial planner to come up with a method that works for you. A legacy secured. Ensuring your digital assets reflect your wishes. Planning for the future of your cryptocurrency holdings is not just about protecting your assets. It's about ensuring that your legacy reflects your values and intentions once you pass or become unable to care for yourself and your finances. It's about leaving behind a legacy that empowers your loved ones and contributes to the causes you care about. Consider incorporating your digital assets into your overall estate plan. Specify how you want your cryptocurrency holdings to be distributed, whether to family members, charitable organizations, or other beneficiaries. Clearly outline your wishes, leaving no room for ambiguity or misinterpretation. By taking the necessary steps to secure and plan for the future of your cryptocurrency holdings, you are not just embracing the digital revolution, you are shaping your legacy in the digital age. You are ensuring that your digital assets, just like your physical possessions, reflect your values, your wishes, and your enduring love for those you leave behind. If you have found this information to be beneficial to you, please consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the like. If you have comments, please post them below. If you would like one-on-one help setting up a legacy book for your loved ones, I offer 30-minute coaching blocks at a reasonable price. See the video notes how to set up a confidential one-on-one. This is a new service I am offering and will be rolling it out in early December 2024.